Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have HP touchscreen laptop. Its model number is HP Pavilion X360 Convertible 14-DH1181TU. The touch of this laptop is broken. But its screen is on. So today we will change its entire display and touch. Let's fix this. First, remove all the screws on the back panel. Open the back panel with the help of an opener. Unscrew the battery and take it out. Unscrew the hinges, disconnect the network wire, disconnect the speaker as well. Remove the housing from the display. Open the display bezel using an opener. Remove the display using a heat gun. Disconnect the sensor and the display wire. Also disconnect the display connector. Connect the display wire and sensor to the new display. Use double-sided tape to stick the display. Stick the display. Unscrew the heatsink. Clean the heating paste and apply new paste. Tight the heatsink screws. Reassemble the housing to the display. Connect all the parts back. Reconnect the display and touchscreen wires as well as the network wires. Reconnect the battery as well. Reinstall all the hinge screws. Install the back panel and screw it in as well. Turn on the laptop and check it. If you want to order the display of this model, then click on our description. You can see the touch and display is working very well. See you again, bye.